Alright guys, Saturday the 23rd, and this is part 2 of working on that outboard. Alright, so right now, if you watch my last video, you'll see, you'll see what I found wrong with it and everything. So I'm filling it up and we're going to try it out. It should run. But yeah. Got the gas tank. And we gotta put this back together too. Sweet. Oh, and for now, there'll be some gear oil leaking. Yeah, because it leaks. Like I said, I showed you what one. And I'll have to replace that. But for now, I just want to see if it runs. And if really whether it runs or not, I'm gonna order a new gaskets for that. So stay tuned.
What is this here?
That's the choke.
Oh, that's choke.
Yeah, you can see it in there too.
What's this here do?
That's the throttle.
Is there a start position?
This is slow. The stop switch you pull up to stop. So this is slow and that's fast.
You love Dunkin' Donuts dark chocolate mocha lattes too. How did you know?
Make sure if it gets run, turn it down. Don't. Alright, so after doing some investigating, we made the assumption that it's actually the primer bulb that's the problem. Okay, so the primer bulb is all cracked up and it spills fuel out, so we're thinking that's just leaking air. Therefore, that's the reason why when we prime it, it gets hard, and then we go to start it, it sputters, and then it kind of shuts off, and then it won't go again, and then there's the prime is lost. So yeah, I'll have to get a new primer bulb. So by hopefully next weekend or sometime, when I get it, I'll do a video and we'll see if it's any better. Thanks for watching.